What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Honor smartphone that is not receiving text messages. So first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix small software glitches like messages issues. So after restarting, if you're still facing the issue, then check your network signals. So if you're getting low network signals, 3 or less than 3 bars, then move to an area where you can get good signals, and after that the messages issue will be fixed. But if your network signals are good but still you can't receive the text messages, then move to the next solution. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on apps option and then scroll down, and here click on messages. Now go to the storage of messages, and after that tap on clear cache to clear the cache memory of messages app. So after clearing the cache memory, the messages app will start working properly and you will start receiving text messages. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is check for software update. So for that, open settings, scroll down, and here click on system and updates, and then click on software update. Now from here, check if your phone is updated to the latest software version or not. So if your mobile software is not up to date, then update your mobile software, and after updating the software of your mobile, it will fix the text messages receiving issue. So that's how you can fix the Honor smartphone that is not receiving the text messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.